Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some classic Ed Sheeran. Thinking out loud. I did this song a long time ago, so I want to redo it. Okay, cool. I don't know if it's for it's not for beginners. It's a little bit more advanced. We got some bar chords and stuff going on. All right, so song is in D major. Let's go with the chords. To F sharp over D. So D, 1, 2, 3, and then we want to move first finger to second fret, E string, and you keep the D shape like that. G major, 1, 2, 3, to A9, 1, 2. G, A, D, F sharp over D, G, A, that's the verse. And then we have the pre-chorus, E minor, 1, 2, to A9, to D, E minor, A, E minor, A, B minor this time. Wow, it's loud here today. Second fret, third finger 4, pinky 4, and second finger 3. And then we're gonna end with E minor to A. Okay, let's do the bridge one more time. 3, 4, E minor, D, E minor, with B minor. I like to play it here, so let's grab this B minor. Bar 7, 9, 9. B minor, A major, G major, F sharp minor, E minor, and end on D. Back to the verse, come on. Whoa! Okay, bridge. Minor. Okay. Break. Chorus. more time. Cool. Thinking out loud, Ed Sheeran. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Thank you.